Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you Angular 20 beautiful Bootstrap 5 e-commerce template, totally free and fully responsive. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates free. So friends, here we go. So we see the beautiful top section, beautiful mini cart and the beautiful nav section, see guys, and the main section, see, and the others. Full category section, see guys, categories as well, trending products, see the hover effect, beautiful section, smart watch and smart headphone, special offer section, see friends, yes, brilliant, best sellers, new arrivals, and top pretty section as well, popular brands, see friends, the casual as well, our later news section, see guys, I can say blog section, and the subsidies, free shipping, 24/7 support, online payment, and easy transaction as well. And the before footer, see guys. So guys, see beautiful e-commerce website in Angular 20, and let me show you its responsiveness. So friends, like I said, it's fully responsive. Will work for all the devices. Just brilliant. And friends, like always, I will share the course snippet link inside this video description. And guys, if you will have any kind of queries, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. Here is my blog, therichpost.com. In blog, you'll get my content page. See, in this page, you'll get my email ID, my WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And guys, also, I'm full-time freelancer. You can hire me on hourly basis as well. And guys, on my blog, you'll get multiple free things as well. See, guys, Angular 20, admin dashboard template, is template, and thousands of admin dashboard templates as well. See, guys. So, guys, see. This is it. And friends, after it, I will come with more free thing as well. So guys, in the end, I must say, please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.